Society has drilled the exact same lie into our brains since childhood. If you want to become a millionaire, you have to work harder, clock more hours, and sacrifice your sleep. But if wealth was purely a result of hard work, every construction worker and retail employee on Earth would be a multi-millionaire. The cold mathematical truth is that trading your personal time for money is a losing game. No matter how smart or driven you are, you only have 24 hours in a day. Your income is permanently capped by the physical limits of your own body. The truly wealthy don't get rich by working harder. They get rich through a method that looks remarkably lazy from the outside. They stop selling their time, and they start buying everyone else's. To understand why this is the ultimate shortcut to $1 million, look at the pure math of time arbitrage. Let's say you are an expert video editor, programmer, or consultant charging $50 an hour. If you work an exhausting 8-hour day, your maximum revenue is $400. But what happens if you stop doing the work entirely? Instead, you hire 5 freelance specialists for $30 an hour and keep a $20 profit margin for yourself. Suddenly, your business is operating 40 hours a day instead of 8. You are pulling in $800 a day in net profit while doing 0 operational work. You have completely decoupled your income from your physical presence. This is how small operations scale into massive multi-million-dollar asset engines. This strategy has exploded over the last few years due to a massive economic shift: the globalization of remote work. Global workforce analytics. Modern enterprise data shows a staggering 5 to 100% variance in the cost of high-tier technical labor between Western domestic markets and rapidly developing digital hubs. A specialized task that costs $100 an hour in New York can often be executed at an identical quality tier for $20 an hour by a university graduate in Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, or Latin America. By building a simple digital pipeline that connects high-budget clients to highly efficient international talent, you aren't exploiting workers. You are providing them with premium, competitive local wages while capturing the massive arbitrage spread for yourself. You aren't a service provider anymore. You are a toll booth on a global network of human hours. Phase 1. Isolate the high-value demand. Find a specific, repeatable B2B corporate pain point. Focus on high-budget niches like automated marketing operations, localized cybersecurity compliance, or enterprise asset management. Phase 2. Standardize the operational playbook. Write down a hyper-detailed, step-by-step operating procedure for the service. The instructions must be so simple and precise that a newly hired contractor can execute them with 0 input from you. Phase 3. Appoint a operational gatekeeper. As the profit margin scales, use a fraction of your revenue to hire a dedicated project manager. Their sole job is to oversee the contractors and deal with the clients, rendering your role entirely passive. The laziest way to become a millionaire isn't about doing nothing. It's about refusing to do things that don't scale. Stop trying to be the smartest person in the room and start owning the room instead. Are you ready to stop selling your hours? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and hit subscribe for more raw financial mechanics.